And welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the best garden shed ideas in my opinion that you can use in your backyard this spring and this coming summer. So in the next few slides I've assembled and put some of my personal favorite sheds and the simplest designs and easiest to build that you can use for your backyard. So let's get into it. The first shed is the upright wooden shed. Now this is a classic garden shed for tools. It's very common. You can see them at hardware stores in plastic. I don't recommend buying those. They're usually very cheap in quality and don't last long. I recommend that you build one yourself out of wood. They're not hard, they're small, they're easy to build, and you could easily do it in one day. And I'll be showing you that at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So this shed is good because it provides great storage space in comparison to its size. Because of its upright design and shallow body, you can fit a lot of large tools like rakes, pitchforks, hoes, whatever you can need for your garden and put them in the shed. And it usually fits up against the wall of your house or at the side of your house, and it's out of the way. It's not sticking out, or it's not an eyesore. And this is one of my favorite shed designs. And if I had a smaller house, this would be definitely what I'm building. The next is the country garden shed. Now this is a nice small compact shed that you can put in your yard next to your garden. And it's what I like about this is that it adds character to your yard. It's a nice looking piece. It's not ugly or an eyesore like I mentioned before. And it's actually a great place to relax. You can read a book, just sit and relax, do whatever you want, sit outside, and it's a great addition to your yard, and it really adds a little more spice or pop to your backyard, a little extra detail if it's looking plain. This is one I would highly recommend. Next is the Rustic Shed. Now this is a classic looking shed design. It's made out of wood, and it is by far one of the simplest sheds. And what I like about it is, like I said, its classic look and its easy storage. This is not hard to make, and it does not take a lot of space. And because of its wood design, it complements most backyards, if not all of them. Because wood goes with a lot of things, especially with the outdoors, and it contrasts really well next to gardens and plants, and it looks great. So this is another one that I highly recommend. Next, the simple wooden shed. Now this is one of my favorite sheds because of its pure simplicity. It's just such a simple shed that you can go out and build on a weekend, and it's just your classic shed. Now you can also use it as something like a playhouse if you have kids or grandkids, just a little hangout zone for them to play in, or you can use it as a relaxation area with chairs, bed, whatever you want. But I prefer to use it for storage because it's just at the nice shape. You can fit your lawnmower, your tools, or if you live up north like me, your snowblower. And it's just another great storage addition to your backyard in comparison to its size. Next, the small wooden shed. Now this is great for most people out there because it can fit very small yards, similar to the first one, the upright shed. It can fit most backyards, and it is extremely customizable. This is one of the best selling points for this shed because you can customize it very easily. You don't have to have a certain dimension like buying one from the store. You can customize it to fit your backyard exactly. I see I spelled it wrong. Oops. But here is something important. A good shed starts from the beginning. It starts from the beginning foundation that you build upon. And if you want a good shed, you need a good start. And a bad start will lead to failure in the shed. The shed will be a bad build quality. It will not look good. It will not last. This was my problem because I just did not know how to build a shed. Because a good start equals good plans, and I did not have good shed plans. So in the link below, I have 12,000 shed plans listed, and not 12, not 20, 12,000. So the designs you saw in this video are nothing compared to what you will see the link below. They include all the ones in this video and thousands more. So if you don't like these, you can literally go out, look for 5-10 minutes, and you'll find tons that you like. And these plans require no skills because they are step-by-step plans with Lego-like instructions. If you ever play with Lego, or your kids have, you know that they go brick by brick, and these are the exact same way. Anyone can build Lego, and anyone can build a shed. And they take very little experience and use minimal tools. Like, you don't need power tools, any large machines, nothing like that. You can just use a hand drill, a saw. It's very simple stuff. So like I said, there's 12,000 plans. So I would highly recommend you click the link below to check them out. And that will be all for this video. So I hope you like these plans. I hope this helped you out. Again, hit the link in the description to see these plans. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.